Now that's a truck. Damn. Hey, check out that custom rig. Holy jeez, look at the exhaust pipes on it. Hot diggity. That's a truck. It's meant for show. It's got a little bit of damage on it, but it's like ran into problems there. There goes again. Damn, is it ever loud too? You guys couldn't hear it, but holy smackers. I wouldn't want to be sitting in that cab with them frickin' pipes. They're like frickin' tank cannons. And it's got some issues, obviously. I mean, the right mud flap is hanging low. I'm thinking it's a former show truck that somebody's using as a work truck now. Probably still shows it, but it's got some issues. Look at the exhaust pipes on that thing. Jesus, Murphy. That's what you call some pipes. I think the people in this camper are NASCAR fans. It's just a guess on my part. I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure they're even Jeff Gordon. I think it's Jeff Gordon that does that, the number 24. Yeah, they even got it all out down the side of their thing. Of course, we are in NASCAR country.